Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to embed a Dubsado form in Showit. Okay, so first up, open up your Showit account, and in here, open up your website. Okay, just go ahead and go to pages right here. Then just maybe add in a new page if you want to under site. Okay, add a blank page like so. But if you want to, you could go ahead and delete any stuff from here. But basically, just hover over to a blank canvas. Okay, now go ahead and add in an element. Then just go ahead and select embed code. In here, maximize it if you want to. And then once done, double click on it. And now you can freely add in a code. Now, where do we find the code? Just go ahead over to your Dubsado form. Okay, for example, this one. Now, as you can see here, I just have a free version of Dubsado, but if you have the premium version, you can just easily go ahead and click on share. Okay, there will be a share button right here, and when you click on it, the iframe code and direct link will be shown. Okay, so basically all you have to do is just copy the iframe code, everything. Okay, and then once copied, you can now go ahead and go back to your Showit editor. Okay, and here just paste the copied embed code. Okay, in here. And then once done, do not forget to go to the bottom right and click on save. And once saved, your Dubsado form will be reflected in here. And then once done, you can go ahead and adjust the size and position, click action, animation, whatever you want. Okay, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.